I'm going to show you how to join legs of Amigurumi toys, and this is from my pattern, The Three Little Pigs, and you'll find a link for it in the description box below. Pickle likes to check everything out. So you should have finished round 28 of your second leg. So let's turn them around to the back here, and we're just going to put down our first leg that we've already finished. I'm just going to set it down. So on the pattern, it says that you are going to make the second leg the same, but at round 29, only crochet until you're at the middle back stitch of the leg, and we're not going to finish round 29. So for round 29, single crochet to the back middle stitch of the leg. So one of the easiest ways to find the back middle stitch is to actually just fold your leg in half right in the middle and identify one of those stitches as the back stitch. Mine actually is right here between two stitches, so I'm just going to choose the one that's to the right here, and that's going to be where I'm going to stop. So I'm going to go ahead and just single crochet to this back stitch right here. So this is the last stitch right here. The rest of the pattern says single crochet in the next two stitches so that you're at the left back edge of the leg. So we're going to single crochet two more. 1 and 2. So now you are going to single crochet into the back right edge of leg 1 to join, and we're going to add the stitch marker as this is going to be the new first stitch of the joined round. So basically we're just going to make sure that our feet are forward, make sure your working yarn is in the back here, and we're going to identify that stitch that's right here in the back of this one and 2 over 1, 2. So here we go, it's right here. And we're going to single crochet, and I'm going to make sure that this is pulled nice and tight. And I'm going to take my stitch marker out, and this is the new stitch for the round. So now for round 30, I'm just going to work all the way around this leg. And so you're coming to the point where you actually stopped your first leg, and I'm just going to find the stitch. Here it is right here, and I'm going to go into here underneath the stitch and just kind of pull this tail down so it gets out of your way. And then move on. Now we're going to find the first stitch over here on this side, and we're going to join to the second leg. And we're going to single crochet all the way around this leg. And this is how you will continue working for the body of the pigs. Now your legs are actually joined together. This is a very exciting part of the pattern. Now your little legs are joined together, and you should have 22 stitches all the way around.